Welcome to Farrell Equipment.
My name is Liz Gonering. I'm with Milwaukee Tool, and we are here at the Farrell Equipment Tool Show in Rochester, Minnesota. And today we are looking at some of the lighting solutions that Milwaukee can provide. Our lights are designed to perform, adapt, and survive. We'll have everything ranging from sight lights, task lights, radius lights, all the way down to our new line of personal lighting. This guy right here is going to be our M18 tower light. It's a 7-second setup. Reaches all the way up to 7 feet. And can easily, again, be shut down in 7 seconds. We also have our new M18 and M12 clamp and magnetic floodlights. These allow you to adapt to any situation, whether it's clamping to a pole, magnetizing to underneath a car, along with the rotating rover headlight. In our personal lighting, we have solutions that can either run off of a USB rechargeable battery along with alkaline batteries for fast exchange between uses. You can purchase any of these lighting solutions here at Farrell Equipment.